Well, hey everyone, welcome back to another one. I am working on a project. I know it's hunting season and I need to work on a project that I started on Labor Day weekend, and that is taking these barn boards down for a project at home. I'll show you that right now. Hey, we're at the back side of my garage. I am going to be taking the siding off and replacing it with that barn board that I'm taking off by the barn. So what's gonna be happening is I'm gonna take this wash line pole out. I don't know if I'll put it back or not, but there's a shelf over there that I'm gonna need to take off. And this willow tree right here, I'm gonna cut that down, almost completely down. For sure the ones that are hanging over the garage roof. So this might take me a good while to get completed. So I know it's hunting season. Time is of the essence, I guess. So let's head back to the barn. The barn board where these are from a friend of mine, him and his wife. It's her mom's place. I'm not gonna disclose who it is, but for those that know. And I'm gonna do my best to preserve the barn boards so I can honor their parents. Her mom is still alive, but her dad passed on a few years back, and I want to try my best to do what I can to help make it the barn live on, because they are going to tear it down eventually. So I'm going to take care of it. Like I said, do my best to do what I can to honor, not just them, but the individuals that actually built the barn. A lot of these barns nowadays are falling by the wayside, getting torn down and buried. It's unfortunate. It's a part of history. Oh, look at that one. That's got to be 18 inches wide. Wow. That's a nice one. I'm kind of hoping looks like a bald-faced hornet. I don't need to be dealing with that stuff, but stick around, watch me do this, and I better flip this over before I get a nail full of tetanus in my foot. All right. This is going to be like a vlog style video, so if you like this content type of thing, stick around, stick with me. Well, that one's going to be easy to take off. If not, you could probably scroll to the next video that's on your feed. So I think I'll keep this one. This might be good for a short one. Whoa. I better be careful here. I should have a hard hat on. All right, I got the north side all taken off as far as what I want. I am not going to take that wide piece because it's a little bit too ooh, excuse me. There's too many holes in it, and like these pieces down here, they have where the nails were that all weathered around and made a larger hole. And my plan is to, when I strip the siding off of the garage, I'm going to put nailers to get some plywood probably 1/2-inch plywood, and put nailers up. I'll show you what that's all about. I'll explain that in a little while. But we got the north side done. There's a nice board on the northwest corner on the other side, on the west side. That's a decent board. It's a little narrow, but it looks like I said, a decent board. So I'm going to head on to that side and take some more off, and probably take home what I have now, unload it, and decide if I want to go to Menards or Lowe's and get some plywood. The good plywood, not the Blandex, not the OSB. And maybe sometime this week start making nailers so I can put them up, and so I can have something to nail to. I do have a few taller barn boards already, longer I should say, and oh, that sucks. Maybe I could utilize that somehow. There's a cable up there to hold the whole barn together, like cross bracing. So I may have to end up just breaking that off up there and use what I have left of it. This piece is pretty awesome. This piece right here. This piece is good from the top all the way to where my feet are at on the rungs. Besides that, it gets pretty rotted out. That was easy. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to. They got all kinds of lats on the other side holding tar paper on, so that's kind of slowing down the process a little bit. I'll just break that off right here. Call her good. It's almost the right roof pitch. Yeah, a lot of good barn boards over here. Solid all the way down. They're 11 inches wide, almost 12 inches wide. Those would be good for starting. Yeah, so this all being said and done, I want to try to document as much as I can with this. I think it's a good project for me to work on it here and there. I did a Facebook reel. I want to have this done by spring, or be a spring project, but I actually want to have it done before the end of the year. So if I keep at it here and there, a couple hours a night or so, it could be done. So I'd like to have it for the end of the year, to hang my fur harvest off of, end of the year picture of my furs. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna probably take this stuff home and what gets you outdoors and enjoy the little things.